Welcome! In this video, we will finish the solution of the V-cube 2. Before continuing, you need to confirm that you have solved one whole layer of the puzzle. If you haven't, please check our previous video here. Here you can see the timestamps of the video if you want to skip any part. To solve the cube, we will use two algorithms. Don't worry, algorithms are just a series of moves that achieve one specific goal. We use the standard notation to write them down. By learning to read it, you will understand every algorithm you find on the internet. It is very straightforward, but for your convenience, we will also include a figure to illustrate each move. Every side is associated with the letter. We use U for the top layer, D for the bottom layer, F for the front, B for the back, R for right, and L for left. A plain letter indicates a 90-degree clockwise turn. For example, L means to turn the left side clockwise. A letter followed by an apostrophe designates a 90-degree counterclockwise turn. For example, B inverted. This would instruct us to turn the backside counterclockwise. Last but not least, a letter followed by a 2 indicates a double turn. For example, D2 would tell us to turn the bottom side 180 degrees. Remember that for all of these to make sense, you need to keep your cube steady. In these two steps, we will always keep the black layer on the bottom. Corner orientation. Our first algorithm is called Sune and is used to orient all the yellow corners to solve the yellow face, but not necessarily the yellow layer. To use it, look on the top layer. If only one yellow piece faces the top, then turn the top side to put it in this position, like so, and perform the algorithm. If none, or two yellow pieces face the top, make sure that there is one facing to the left on the front left position, like so, and perform the algorithm. For example, my cube has no yellow pieces facing the top, so I will have to ensure that a yellow piece is in this place and faces to the left. And I will perform the algorithm. R means to turn the right side clockwise. U means to turn the top side clockwise. R inverted means to turn the right side counterclockwise. U, top side clockwise. R, right side clockwise. U2, top side 180 degrees. R inverted, right side counterclockwise. Now my top layer has one yellow piece facing on top, so I'll place it at the front left position and execute the algorithm. I might need to do this step up to 2 times. R, U, R inverted, U, R, U2, R inverted. I'll have to do it one last time, which means that first I will place the corner that faces to the top on the left front position, like so, and perform the algorithm again. R, U, R inverted, U, R, U2, R inverted. And as you can see, I just solved the yellow side, but we need to permute those corners to solve the entire cube. Corner permutation. There are 2 cases. 2 corners should swap either diagonally, like this case, or adjacently, as shown here. Or if you are lucky enough, then your cube might already be solved. An easy way to recognize which case you are in is to look for a pair of yellow corners that already match each other. If there is one, then the other 2 should swap. Otherwise, if none of them match, then 2 should swap diagonally. Our second and final algorithm is called A-perm, and it can swap 2 adjacent corners. To swap corners diagonally, we will just use it twice. Let's start with that case. If your cube needs to swap 2 corners diagonally, then just hold a cube with a black layer on the bottom. The front layer doesn't matter, and execute the algorithm. R inverted, F, R inverted, B2, R, F inverted, R inverted, B2, R2. As you can see, now 2 of my corners match each other. This means that now all I have to do is swap the other 2. For this case, place the black layer on the bottom and the solved pair on the back, and perform the algorithm. R inverted, F, R inverted, B2, R, F inverted, R inverted, B2, R2. And that's it. Your V-cube 2 is now solved. We hope you enjoyed the time you spent with your cube. In the video's description, you will find information about our great collection from the V-cube 2 till the V-cube 9 and many other products. Have a nice spinning day.